Alright, so I bring to you the final finishing of the invoice suite that I built for schools. This is particularly meant for schools. So this is the main invoice interface. As you can see, that's the main invoice interface. Everything here is clean. As you can see, invoice number 1, nothing is actually showing on it. So this is how it looks. Okay, so we are going to make entries into this invoice. Now, how is entries made? And here is a copy. Here's a copy of the form. So we are just going to fill this. Assuming this is sent to the parent, either in his house or he comes to the school. So you just enter the student name. We're just going to enter, okay, let's say Amelia Day. Right, so that's the student name, the parent name. Right, so that's the parent name, and the address. Alright, so we're just going to enter the email address as well of the parent and phone number as well. Next, we'll submit this form. Alright, now as the form is submitted, it populates through this Google Sheet pipeline to the school invoice system. Alright, so let's raise the invoice for the students that fill the form. You click here, you come to this up bar, click on search students. We'll type the first 3 letter words of the student name. The first 3 letters. It loads. Select the student. Yeah, everything we just autofill, including the dates of raising the invoice. Alright, so this is how you select products. So you can just select any. And we put we enter quantity. Alright, so we go to the amount. The total bill for this invoice is 52,000, and let's say they paid 50,000. We record it with the date as well. Alright, so we want to generate this invoice. That is, we want to print it and send to parents. We come here, we click on generate. Acquisition should be there. Generate. It is generated. Now, where do you find? Yeah, so where can we find this invoice that has been generated? We come to line 68 here. Yeah, it's here. You can forward this link to the parent. This is an old one that was generated, so it's still reflecting here. So you just come here, and that's it. So you can just copy this link and forward to the parent. But if you want to print this, let's see it. Yeah, so that's your invoice. That's your invoice. Looking clean. Looking clean. That's your invoice with the balance. Alright, so